Hello and welcome to this very special interview. Joining me today is one of India's most dynamic financial experts. She heads Edelweiss Asset Management company, Radhika Gupta. Thank you very much, Radhika, for joining me on this investor education series that is brought to our viewers by the Bombay Stock Exchange Investor Protection Fund. Radhika, what is goal-based investing? And if you could explain that, in a bit of detail, because all planners, all advisors always tell investors first get your goal in place, invest according to your goal. But I think when it comes down to actually doing it, people struggle. So could you tell us a little about what goal-based investing is and how can an investor achieve that?
So goal-based investing, I think, comes to the crux of investing, which is, and I always tell investors when they ask me, what's the best fund for me? Or what's the best mutual fund out there? This is a common question. And I say, there is no best mutual fund. There is the best mutual fund for you. And I think the you part is the goal part. When you invest for a purpose. It could be some life goal, it could be some objective, it could be short term, it could be long term, it could be a marriage, it could be a vacation, it could be buying a house. You have to have some purpose for investing, and that's very important to know. And that's also, by the way, why I think investing is very personal. I mean, they always say that personal comes before finance in the word personal finance, and my goals will be different from yours. So I think it's very important for an investor to sit, and maybe the family does this, and identify what their objectives are in the short term, in the 6 to 12 months, in the 3-year time horizon, and in the 5 to 10-year horizon. What is the kind of money that they will need in those different periods, for what purpose? Once you do that, you can bucket your money, and then once you have clear goals, you know that for long-term money, okay, I can take some risk, I can put this into equity. You know that for short-term money, I can't take any risk, so I can put this into debt. So goal-based investing also helps you a lot in figuring out the asset allocation that's right for you. For instance, if my goals, Vivek, are all very short-term, and I know in a year, I need 90% of my savings to buy a house, automatically my asset allocation is decided. I mean, 90% of my money has to be in very, very safe fixed income. But if I know that 80% of what I have, I don't need for the next 10 years, and I hope someone's fortunate enough to say that, then I know I can take a lot of risk with that money.
Always a pleasure talking to you, Radhika. Thank you very much. Keep inspiring, keep educating all investors. We need more and more of that. Thank you very much for joining me here.
Thank you, Vivek.